Hi, I'm Barbara Myville, the MSN Program Chair. The MSN program builds upon the goals and competencies of the BSN program and focuses on an advanced level of nursing theory, practice, and research. The program is designed for nurses who want to pursue more advanced positions in today's challenging healthcare environments. Job growth in the field is expected to be over 26% over the next several years, much higher than the national average. And while RNs earn around $64,000 a year, taking the time to earn an MSN in a specific field can bring even higher rates of pay, with an average salary of about $86,000 per year for those with an MSN. The advantages of getting a degree with Franklin University include smaller class sizes, faculty are experienced and knowledgeable in the subject area, and the program is designed for the working RN. The MSN program is 38 credit hours in length. It can be completed in 4 to 5 semesters, which is a year and a half. The 12-week practicum course is designed for the student to spend 80 hours with a preceptor, a master's prepared nurse, in an area of the student's interest. All courses are online in a 6 to 12-week format. Assignments may include discussion questions, small papers, quizzes, and presentations. Normally, transfer credit will be accepted for comparable graduate courses completed with a grade of B or higher or the equivalent, and completed within the time frame established for the subject area in question. Upon approval of the program chair, up to 12 hours of transfer credit may be used at any graduate program. Transfer students must meet University Graduate School residency requirements. Franklin University has over 115 years of providing a quality education to working adults. I hope to see you making a difference in your career by seeing you in class.
Learn more at franklin.edu.